Minerals for the body. Minerals are very important for our body. They help us stay healthy and strong. Our body needs minerals to function properly. We can get minerals from the food we eat. Without enough minerals, our body cannot work the way it should, and we may feel weak or even get sick. There are many different types of minerals, and each one has a specific role in keeping us healthy. Minerals are natural substances found in the earth. Our body needs them in small amounts to stay healthy. Minerals are found in the foods we eat, like fruits, vegetables, meats, and dairy products. There are two main types of minerals: macrominerals and trace minerals. Macrominerals are minerals that our body needs in large amounts. Examples include calcium, magnesium, potassium, and sodium. Trace minerals are minerals that our body needs in small amounts. Examples include iron, zinc, iodine, and selenium. Even though we only need small amounts of trace minerals, they are still very important for our health. Calcium is one of the most important minerals for our body. It helps build strong bones and teeth. Calcium also helps our muscles work and allows our blood to clot when we get a cut. Without enough calcium, our bones can become weak and break easily. This condition is called osteoporosis. We can get calcium from foods like milk, cheese, yogurt, and leafy green vegetables. Some foods, like orange juice, are also fortified with calcium to help us get enough of this important mineral. Magnesium helps our body with many different things. It helps our muscles relax, supports our nerves, and keeps our heartbeat steady. Magnesium is also important for keeping our bones strong and healthy. We can get magnesium from foods like nuts, seeds, spinach, and whole grains. Eating these foods can help us get enough magnesium to support our body. Potassium helps control the balance of fluids in our body. It also helps our muscles contract and supports healthy blood pressure. Potassium is important for keeping our heart and other muscles working properly. We can get potassium from foods like bananas, potatoes, oranges, and beans. These foods are a great way to keep our potassium levels high and help our body stay healthy. Sodium is important for controlling the amount of water in our body. It helps our nerves send signals and allows our muscles to work properly. Sodium is also important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Most of the sodium we get comes from salt. However, too much sodium can be bad for our health. It can cause high blood pressure and lead to heart problems. It is important to eat the right amount of sodium by not adding too much salt to our food. Iron is a trace mineral that helps our blood carry oxygen. It is a key part of a substance in red blood cells called hemoglobin. Hemoglobin takes oxygen from our lungs and delivers it to the rest of our body. Without enough iron, our body cannot get enough oxygen, and we may feel tired and weak. This condition is called anemia. We can get iron from foods like red meat, chicken, beans, and leafy green vegetables. Some foods, like cereal, are also fortified with iron. It is important to eat enough iron-rich foods to avoid feeling tired and weak. Zinc is a trace mineral that helps our immune system. It helps our body fight off infections and heal wounds. Zinc also helps our body grow and develop properly. It is especially important for children and teenagers. We can get zinc from foods like meat, seafood, beans, and nuts. Eating these foods helps support our immune system and keeps us healthy. Iodine is a trace mineral that helps our thyroid gland work properly. The thyroid gland is responsible for controlling our metabolism, which is the process by which our body turns food into energy. Without enough iodine, our thyroid cannot work correctly, and we may feel tired or gain weight. We can get iodine from foods like fish, dairy products, and iodized salt. Iodized salt is salt that has iodine added to it to help us get enough of this important mineral. Selenium is a trace mineral that acts as an antioxidant. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage caused by harmful substances in our body. Selenium also helps our immune system and supports our thyroid gland. We can get selenium from foods like nuts, fish, and whole grains. Brazil nuts are especially high in selenium, and eating just a few can help us get enough of this mineral. Minerals are essential for our overall health. They help our body do many important things like build strong bones, produce energy, and keep our heart beating properly. Without enough minerals, our body cannot function the way it should. Minerals also help prevent certain diseases. For example, calcium helps prevent osteoporosis, and iron helps prevent anemia. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods is the best way to get the minerals our body needs. The best way to get enough minerals is by eating a healthy, balanced diet. Here are some tips to make sure you get the minerals your body needs. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables. Different fruits and vegetables contain different minerals. By eating a wide variety, you can make sure you get all the minerals your body needs. Include dairy products in your diet. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are rich in calcium and other important minerals. If you cannot eat dairy, look for calcium-fortified products like almond milk or orange juice. Eat whole grains. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread are rich in magnesium and other minerals. They also provide fiber, which is good for your digestion. Include lean meats and seafood. Meat, poultry, and seafood are good sources of iron, zinc, and other trace minerals. If you do not eat meat, make sure to eat plenty of beans, lentils, and fortified foods. Use iodized salt. Iodized salt is a simple way to make sure you get enough iodine in your diet. Just be careful not to use too much salt, as it can raise your blood pressure. Sometimes, people do not get enough minerals from their diet. This is called a mineral deficiency. A deficiency can cause health problems. For example, a lack of calcium can lead to weak bones, and a lack of iron can cause anemia. If you think you might not be getting enough minerals, talk to a doctor. They can help you figure out which minerals you are missing and suggest ways to improve your diet or recommend supplements. Conclusion: minerals are essential for keeping our body healthy. They help us build strong bones, produce energy, and keep our heart, muscles, and nerves working properly. By eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods, we can get the minerals our body needs to function at its best. Taking care of our health by eating enough minerals helps us stay strong, active, and healthy.